Is this you got problems with your pressure in your Karcher? Or is it just a simple thing that you need to sort out? Now I'm sure a lot of you come across this problem all the time, especially if you're using water from a pond. So let's have a quick look in the bucket. Look, bucket's still got plenty of water in, so the filter's fine. I wonder what it could be. So let's have a look, and this is exactly what the problem is. I'm going to be showing you how to clean out your inline filter from the Karcher K series. Usually this ends up going into a pond. So first we need to be unscrewing the plastic cap and pulling out our filter. Now, as you can see, that filter is really filthy all the way around. All you need to do is get yourself a toothbrush and just give that a little scrub round. And it's very, very simple, and that's the easiest thing you can possibly do. There you go, it's almost clean. It's not going to be spotless, but it's good enough. Also, you need to get down inside as well. Now try and get your toothbrush in to clean it out, or get yourself a little tiny brush and brush it out inside. So that looks very clean to me. So what we'll do is get that straight back into the connector. So all we do is connect it in. There's a rubber mounting in there, just push it in, and all we need to do is just screw it all back together. And it's ready to go straight into your fish pond. Also, if you weren't aware, you can also purchase a pack of 3 on Amazon. They cost £6.50, and I think that's a reasonable price. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!